In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website in Hostinger Hosting for the first time. If you're new to Hostinger, the step-by-step guide will take you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started right away. First, open your web browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent button that says Start Now. Go ahead and click on that to begin the process. This will take you to the next stage where you can choose a plan that's most suitable for your needs. Hostinger offers different plans, so take a moment to consider what features and benefits you require, and then click on Choose Plan. Once you've selected your plan, it's time to choose the duration. You'll find options for different subscription lengths. Selecting a longer term often comes with a discount, so keep that in mind if you're planning on using Hostinger for a while. After deciding on the term, you'll be prompted to enter your billing address information. Take your time to fill out all the required fields accurately to ensure there's no delay in the setup process. With your billing information filled out, proceed to select your preferred payment method. Hostinger generally supports several payment options, including credit cards and PayPal. Pick the method that's most convenient for you, and then submit your payment. After the payment process, you'll be directed to check out the H panel. This is Hostinger's control panel where you'll manage all your website settings. Now you have the option to decide who this website is for. Is it a personal project or perhaps for your business? Make your selection and then choose whether you want to create a new website or migrate an existing one. If you're starting from scratch, the next decision is where you'd like to build your website. Hostinger provides integration with popular platforms like WordPress, so choose the one that you're most comfortable using. Once you've made these selections, it's time to choose a domain. You can either register a new domain or use one you already own. Enter the domain name, and once it's confirmed, click Next. Now you have the opportunity to customize your website with the help of AI. This feature makes it easy to tailor the look and feel of your site without needing any technical expertise. Once you've made the customizations, proceed to create your website. You can further modify elements like colors, text, and add various elements to enhance the design. Finally, it's essential to connect your newly created website to your domain. Once that's done, click on the Next Step button to finalize the process. You're almost there. Just click on Continue to complete the setup, and your website will be live and ready to go. That's it for adding a website to Hostinger Hosting for the first time. I hope you found this tutorial straightforward and easy to follow. Remember, if you need any help along the way, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Thanks for watching, and happy website hosting.